Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We're heading over to Casa Cristina in order to get some video and show you what's been done. It's almost finished. Okay guys, it's a little bit dark in here because it's raining outside. But look, they got all the white stuff on the walls and the ceiling, the stucco in Tonico. And look how much bigger this place looks. This is really cool. So we're just inside the front door here. They put in this gorgeous arch right there. Look at it, it's so pretty. These are Salvatore arches, and he kind of got mad at us because one of our clients saw Luther and Timmy's arch, and now everybody wants arches. He's like, I'm so sick of arches. But he makes beautiful ones. And of course, we got the triple arch thing going. These are hand padded, I guess, or handmade bricks that he salvaged from another project. There will be a little kitchen across there, and possibly a little, piece of kitchen furniture, and then a little seating area here. This is the entry. Today we are meeting with Hermano from Ego Labs, and we are going to have a front door made. So we're going to talk about what we want there, and we're having all the interior doors made too. So we're going to talk about all of those. So you can see the stairs are in. They are beautiful travertine marble, very gorgeous. And, oh, a big pile of stuff. That makes me happy because it wasn't here yesterday. Oh, and it looks like they got the little cancello, the little balcony railing in, which is so cool. And you got a big, big bathroom here. This is the handicapped room, so of course the bathroom is huge. So things are coming along on Casa Cristina. Okay, today Pete and I were at Mele. We chose this tile. It's about $17.50 per square meter. We have about maybe 20, maybe not even 20 square meters up here. It's not a huge terrace, but it's pretty good size. You know, we can have some events and things out here. Of course, this is the pièce de résistance here, Polino National Park, sweeping around and looking out to the sea. This is the part where we asked Antonello we could maybe notch this thing here, and he did. And now we have a spectacular unobstructed view. Today, we picked out the tiles for the terrace, and we're meeting with Antonello and Hermano. Stay tuned, guys.